Hi, welcome to the business of AI. This channel, I created it to help small business owners like you or workers to understand AI and how you can leverage it in your business. Because the AI wave is coming and there's going to be a lot to learn. And the sooner you take advantage of it, the sooner you'll be able to be more efficient and take advantage of it that maybe other competitors won't have. So in this episode, I'm actually going to talk about AI agents. And what are those? Well, AI agents are agents that are designed to do a specific task. Like you would give anybody else, maybe one of your workers. You'd be like, okay, I want you to do this task and repeat it over and over again. And you can have these agents do specific tasks for you, and they'll repeat it. You train it just like you would train anyone else, and that they would keep on doing that over and over again. And they will get even more complex as time goes on. They'll be able to do more. So we're just scratching the surface of the potential of what these AI agents will do. I could see a time when AI agents will be all over the place. You'll have multiple agents for specific use cases or even specific jobs. And you have like a team of AI agents that you'll manage and oversee to make sure that they're doing the work right. But they'll go off and do it, report back to you, ask for input, and you have them keep on going on, just like you would with a human being. So we're going to look at an example of Google Gemini, um, and they have something called gems. And so we're going to share the screen here, and I'll show you what I mean here. When you go to Google, gemini.google.com, and you click on this little icon down here, Gems Manager, and here it comes up with some pre-made gems that you can look at. A brainstormer, career guide, coding partner. Here's one, uh, writing editor. So maybe you're writing blogs, you have to write some sort of business letter or something that you want to have a specific tone of your company. And so you have specific branding, words or slogans that you use. And so you want to train the AI to understand that. So you can click on this one, and here it's going to act as a writer. Well, actually, let me go back. Let me create the new gem here. This is what I want to show you. So let's say you're going to be a technical writer. And this is where you give it instructions. So you can like role play the AI. You can tell them you are a technical writer for my team, and then you can give it examples like the company name is ABC Inc. And then you can say, our slogan, our mission is to bring AI to everyone. And you can there's unlimited possibilities. But so you write this, and you can write almost as long as you want. And then you can even say, okay, Gemini, rewrite these instructions so they make sense. Let's talk about our customers. Our customer base is small businesses that are not very technical. And then you say rewrite, and then it's going to rewrite it. It's probably going to put in bullet points, and then it's going to tell you like, okay, this is the instructions that we can create it for. And see that? Look, see it wrote. It's from just that little bit I wrote. It says act as a technical writer, create clear and concise, easy to understand technical information for non-technical audience, explain complex AI concepts, and then it says audience focus, always write with a small business owner in mind, assuming limited technical knowledge. And then so it created this AI agent for you, and then you can even reference certain files too. So down here you can click on add files. You can connect it to Maybe you already have a Google account, you have files in there already. You can attach files or maybe your logo, your images, and then you can go and you can test it here. Um, you can say, write for me an advertisement for, I can't think of spelling advertisement right now. There we go. Advertisement for my new ad in YouTube. And then so it's going right here. And it says, okay, so even talks about what kind of music you want to play to, voiceover, and then you can take this and then you can even create, um, um, I'll show you in another video, voices of how you can turn in text to voices like 11 Labs. And so here, it just like created a whole one right here, even created a slogan, bringing the power of AI to everyone. And then it says, show your logo, um, perhaps learn more, start a free trial. So, and it just did that. And I made this in just a few minutes. And so you can see how the power of this is that's just a starting as a technical writer. Just think of all the unlimited possibilities you can start using it as. And so I'm just bringing this awareness to people of how easy it is to start. You don't need to have a huge technical background. You don't need to be a programmer or anything. You just talk to it like if you were dictating something to someone you just hired. Maybe you're an intern, someone who doesn't understand your business. So you'd have to explain your business to them and tell them exactly what you're looking for. And then it learns it and understands it. And then from there, it can start performing the task. And you can go in there and tweak it too. Maybe it's not giving you the right output, and you can go in there, adjust it, and then retry it, and it'll get better as you continue to tweak it as you go. So if you found this helpful, just like the video. I'll be having more information that will come out, more videos that will hopefully be useful to you. Have any questions? Please just leave them in the comments below. Thanks.